Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at an item from GoPro. I did acquire this and it's a really cool, it's a three-way grip. So I use this quite a bit when I'm doing my videos. You can use them for, you can make like use it as a gimbal. You can use it as a high shots, low shots. You can really kind of get an idea, when you're using an extension rod or extension pole or a selfie pole, something like that. Has a lot of versatility. So this is my GoPro here. I have my mount on here. I'll give you an idea how you work it. You get these little screws here that you can tighten and loosen the tension on right here. Okay, so you can tighten and loosen these tension. You can adjust it any which way you want. You can touch it this way. Also has a lock right here, so you can only go so far, which is nice to know. That way, if you're doing some special shots, let's say, going around and getting some shots, you can do that, which is really nice. I like that. It's got some lot of versatility. It's got a nice, good grip here. I do like this grip. You can see the quality of this grip is really nicely made. It extends out quite a bit, as you can see. So you get a nice long reach for a selfie stick or whatever you need. If you're doing some vlogging to your face, you can just hold it towards your face. You can get some down shots, up shots. You can do some really cool and interesting shots with this pole or extension pole, they're calling it. Works really well. What also it does have is a very cool secret built into it, which I really like. Let me just show you that real quick. And I like this button here, so it won't fall on your hands. You have to actually click this button here to collapse it. And that's another good feature. You can see it locks right here. And then if you want to put it down, hit that button and then collapse it. Now it does have a really cool hidden feature. It has a built-in tripod built in. Unscrew the bottom here. Right here is the tripod. Now this is made quite well. It's got a nice large distribution for weight, so that you can see how nice and wide that is. That's important. That way when you have using your shot, you don't have any tip over issues. It's got some good stability. It's good center of weight here, so it's going to hold quite a bit and keep your GoPro mount or your GoPro very steady. And it's just screws in the bottom, just like that there. You can see that, and there you go. So now you can set up a shot this way. You can do a headshot. You could do a specialty shot. If you're working on a dance school, if you're looking for, you want to get some height instead of having the camera on the ground, you can just extend it all the way out. Okay. Put on the tripod, and then you're good to go. So you have a lot of flexibility here. You can also, I'm not sure if you can, I wouldn't recommend holding it here. No, I wouldn't do that. That's probably not a good idea. But you can just see is a lot of flexibility. Let me just take it off. And it stores in the bottom, which is really nice. I think that's kind of cool. Goes in the bottom here, like that. You just put it away when you're done. And when you're done with it, if you don't need the tripod, but it's good to know that you have a tripod with you if you need it. Again, here is my GoPro right here. And it actually works really, really well. I use it a lot like this. I'll do some shots, specialty shots, some crane, like moving in and out of shots, doing that. Even low shots, you can get down low, just reverse the image onto here or turn the camera around, whatever you have to do. You have a lot of flexibility with something like this. So it's one of the tools in the tools chest when you're doing video production, or if you're doing some kind of work that you want to get creative with. You have something in your hand that you can vlog with, creativity and also flexibility, and it's made quite well with the built-in tripod. So that's what I have for you guys. So definitely pick up this. Of course, the GoPro is not included. You have to have your own GoPro. But this 3-in-1 stick here, selfie stick we'll call it, is definitely a way to go. I'm definitely going to recommend it for sure. I like that locking feature right there. I think that's kind of cool. You can turn it around. You can do all kinds of really cool and interesting things with this mount. I like this a lot. All right, guys, that's what I have for you. Hope you enjoyed this just quick profile review on this GoPro 3-in-1. Definitely going to give this a buy in my book. Definitely something you should put in your toolbox when you're producing and shooting videos that you need. Sometimes you might need this, especially when you're trying to get like a certain reach shot over something and you can't reach it. This gives you that extra reach. And let me just see how long this is. Let me just see how long this actual pole is. Let me just get my ruler here. So just to let you know, it's good to know these things, right? I mean, you're looking for these videos you want to see. So we got almost 20 inches to the bottom here. And then if you count the camera angle and you count the tripod, you're probably with everything around 25 inches total between camera and tripod extension. So it gives you plenty of space to get those real specialty shots. All right, guys, that's what I have for you. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow this channel for more videos just like this to help educate you, motivate you, and inspire you about products just like this, because you just never know if you're in the market for this and you don't even know until you need it. And sometimes I think you might not know about this product. So I'm definitely going to say give this a buy. I'm putting this right in my toolbox, in my video toolbox, and that's good to have. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow the channel for more videos just like this. Appreciate it. Make it a great day.